Have you ever thought about your retirement lifestyle? It's a question that often gets overlooked, yet it's one of the most important ones we should be asking ourselves. Retirement isn't just about hanging up your work boots, it's about stepping into a lifestyle you've envisioned for your golden years. It's a common misconception that retirement planning is a distant concern, but the truth is, it's never too early to start planning. Now let's delve into a story of someone who made their dream retirement lifestyle a reality. Meet John, a 65-year-old retired teacher, living his best life. John wasn't always basking in the golden years of his retirement. It was a journey that started decades ago, when he was just a young teacher with a chalk in hand and a dream in his heart. John knew the importance of planning early for his retirement. He understood that the key to a comfortable retirement was disciplined saving and strategic investments. He started by setting aside a portion of his paycheck every month, no matter how small. This habit of saving consistently and living within his means served as the foundation of his retirement plan. But he didn't stop there. John also sought out investment opportunities that would grow his savings over time. He studied, he learned, and he made wise financial decisions. He didn't shy away from seeking help when he needed it, consulting with financial advisors to help him navigate the complexities of investment. John also had a clear vision of what he wanted his retirement to look like. He dreamed of traveling, spending quality time with his grandchildren, and pursuing his love for painting. And he worked towards this vision with determination and discipline. His early planning, disciplined saving, and strategic investments have paid off. Today, John is living the retirement lifestyle he envisioned. He's traveling, painting, and spending precious moments with his grandchildren. John is now living his dream retirement lifestyle thanks to his early planning and disciplined saving. So, what can we learn from John's story? Well, there are several key takeaways that we can glean from his successful retirement journey. First and foremost, the importance of early retirement planning cannot be overstated. Starting to plan for your retirement as early as possible allows you to create a comprehensive strategy that can help make your golden years truly golden. Secondly, disciplined saving is a crucial part of this process. Consistent saving not only grows your retirement fund but also cultivates a habit of financial discipline that can benefit you in all areas of life. Thirdly, wise investing is another vital aspect. It's not just about saving, it's also about growing your wealth by making smart, informed investment decisions. And finally, having a clear vision of your retirement lifestyle plays a pivotal role in crafting effective retirement plans. It's your life after all, so it should reflect your dreams and aspirations. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your retirement. Start today and you too can have a retirement lifestyle just as you've always imagined.